Understand the meaning of the equilibrium constant. Keq, the equilibrium constant expression for the given reaction, is Keq equals Fe SCN to the power 2 plus over Fe to the power 3 plus SCN to the power negative. This value represents the ratio of product concentrations to reactant concentrations when the system reaches equilibrium at a specific temperature. Evaluate statement 2, product versus reactant favorability. A value of Keq greater than 1 indicates that, at equilibrium, the concentration of the products, the numerator, is greater than the concentrations of the reactants, the denominator. Since the given Keq is 240, which is significantly greater than 1, the products are favored over the reactants at equilibrium. Thus, deduction 2 is correct. Evaluate statement I, thermodynamics versus kinetics. The value of an equilibrium constant relates to the extent of a reaction, thermodynamics, not the speed at which it occurs, kinetics. A large Keq does not mean a reaction is quite rapid. It simply means that once equilibrium is eventually reached, there will be more products than reactants. Without information about the rate constant, K, or activation energy, we cannot deduce the speed of the reaction. Thus, deduction I is not necessarily correct. Evaluate statement 3, enthalpy to determine if a reaction is endothermic, delta H greater than 0, or exothermic, delta H less than 0. One must observe how the equilibrium constant changes with temperature. Because the problem only provides the value of Keq at a single temperature, 25 degrees Celsius, there is no way to determine the sign of delta H. Thus, deduction 3 cannot be made. Conclusion: since only statement 2 is a valid deduction from the provided information, the correct choice is B. The correct answer is option B, 2 only.